Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to lock photo gallery on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So I'm just easily lock my photo gallery. So at first open your Play Store, go to search option, search set to select these apps. So at first need to install these apps. So these apps totally free and 100% safe, don't worry. Press on to open. At first need to set up this lock. Click on, then showing it to 4 different type to lock. Like I'm select, press on OK, create, and again press on save. Click on, make sure to turn on, press on, click on to allow. Okay, now overall setup. Okay, go back and open my app lock pro. At first unlock, then showing it to lock option, then showing here my all installed apps lock. At first unlock all apps, just select only gallery. Okay, now lock my gallery apps. So let's try to open my gallery. Then need to enter pin without open. Okay, when I enter my pin, then open my gallery apps. So that's it.